Hi, I'm Melissa Connor, Executive Director of the Atlanta Hospital Hospitality House, and you're standing in our beautifully restored rock garden. This rock garden was built in 1926 by Cater Wolford, who started this estate and built this beautiful house. And we provide lodging for families who come here for medical care in Atlanta. And this rock garden will be just such a beautiful asset for our guests and our families to enjoy and relax in.
I'm Cooper Sanchez. I'm the head gardener at Oakland Cemetery. The focus of my career and my business is maintaining and restoring historic gardens in Atlanta. For me, a garden like this is more important than designing a garden for a client. This is sort of preserving history.
I'm Jim Higginbotham. I work for the Atlanta Botanical Garden. We basically spent about 2 months here renovating, replacing worn and fallen stones, adding all new plumbing, replacing cracked creek beds, and bringing in soil and helping refill and renovate the area.
We're so grateful for the Sarah Giles Moore Foundation for helping us see the vision and providing us the grant to restore this beautiful garden. I'm grateful for Cooper Sanchez, who helped us with the landscaping and the horticultural and his vision for how beautiful this garden could be, and Jim Higginbotham for restoring our beautiful fountain. We are so grateful that everyone came together to make this possible. Thanks again.